This video, I'll show you how to install and play the Left 4 Liberty injection mod in GTA 4, turning the game into a full zombie survival experience. Check my video description for this mod. Check the start download option and download this ASI loader and script hook. Same link, download this Left 4 Liberty infection mod download option and wait for 10 seconds and then check the download now option. Once this download done, right click on this ASI loader and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, back up your GTA 4 game folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the GTA 4 folder, open this ASI loader, drag and drop all these files inside, replace the file in the destination, and then go back, open the zombies mod, open scripts, drag and drop these four files except the readme inside the scripts folder, replace the file in the destination. Once this done, launch the game. Once you are in game, get out of this house. Once you are in the outside, press the F7 to activate the zombie mode, and the zombie mode will activate it, guys. To turn off the zombies mode anytime you want, you can press the F7 to turn off the zombies mode. As you can see, deactivated. To turn back on, press the F7 and it will be activated. And that's how the zombies mode work. I will also show you guys even more options to play. Let's close the game. In the game folder, open the scripts. Right click on this INI. It's like edit in Notepad. These are the things that you can play in a game. Just note down the things. As you can see, the spawn single survivor, press N, and the remove existing survivors Y. Press the keys to activate these things. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.